In our recent video, we have already explained you about the WAKCHING KUM HOUPA and how we name all the 12 lunar months with the scientific knowledge back then. But as we trace back the origin of SACHIPU NONGMA PANBA CHEIRAOBA, we will find that it was during King MALIYA PALCHA, or Khoi, that the people of Kangleipak started counting lunar calendar starting from the month of SACHIPU, or Sajibu, the spring month. After centuries it was being observed and celebrated where the four-man from four, Panna, Khurai, Wangkhei, Yaiskhul, Khwai, used to notify everyone the beginning of a new year using bamboo rod of Khok bamboo. During the time of King KIYAMPA CHEITHAPA, a ritual where a voluntary man has to take all the bad omens, foreboding and risk of future events of the year on himself, and he was rewarded for his duty to the nation. And there is another mythological tales of Lainingthou Sanamahi to reunite with the three goddess on the promised date of first day of Sachipu. The three goddess will incarnate and bloom as these three seasonal flowers, Leiri, Kombirei and Kushum. And now here begins the Bengali Hindu Monks narrative. Just because the day coincides with many festivals of India, well, they will have a propaganda to subjugate our own religion every single time. They even introduce Goura Hindu form of Cheiraoba with same day of Bengali festival. A big question to all you hypocrites. The year 2024 itself is already 3,422 to 23 Maliya Palcha KUMSHING in our lunar calendar. So, how about the new year of your own narrative? Every one of us had been lied and manipulated by Bengali Gosai and his followers for the last 250 plus years. So at the end, even a single gene, a genetic of MEITEI, runs in our blood. Let's not divide further, and let's us unitedly celebrate this Sajibu NONGMA PANBA CHEIRAOBA all together with a sense of togetherness and brotherhood.